This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetarian enchiladas step by step. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll want vibrant bell peppers, sweet onions, and tender zucchini. Sauté these with your favorite spices to create a rich, savory filling. Decide between soft corn or flour tortillas, typically about 6 inches in diameter. Finally, choose a flavorful red or green enchilada sauce to complete your base. Now, let's assemble these beauties. Gently warm your tortillas for a few seconds. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Spread a thin, even layer of enchilada sauce on the bottom of your baking dish. Take each tortilla and fill it with approximately 1/4 cup of your delicious vegetable mixture. Roll them up tightly and place them seam side down in the prepared dish. This ensures they stay together beautifully during baking. With your enchiladas neatly arranged, it's time for the finishing touches. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce generously over all the rolled tortillas, ensuring they are well covered. Then, sprinkle about 1 1/2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese evenly on top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. They'll smell amazing. Almost ready to enjoy? Once out of the oven, let your enchiladas rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and makes them easier to serve. They pair wonderfully with a side of fluffy Mexican rice or creamy refried beans. For those who love extra heat, offer additional sauce or a dash of hot sauce. Get ready to savor your homemade, incredibly flavorful vegetarian enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.